it on the Tetons. Yeah, I need a scapegoat now. No, my dog won't bite you, though it had the right to. You oughta give her credit, 'cause she knows I would've let it happen. Blame it on the weekends, yeah, I need a cola now. Oh, we mumble loudly, wear our shame so proudly, or our blank expressions, trying to look interesting. Blame it on the weekends, yeah, I need a cold one now. All them eager actors gladly taking credit for the lines created by the people tucked away from sight is just the window from the room we're bound to. If you find a way out, oh, would you just let me know how? Let me know how. Blame it on the web, but the spider's your problem now. Oh, language is the liquid that we're all dissolved in. Great at solving problems once it started the problem. Blame it on the Tetons, yeah, I need a scapegoat now. I'm texting him back because it's Jacob Trani.
Oh, yeah.
He's really great. You should meet him.
I support that. I support that.
So I think I've probably got about 2 left. So I'm gonna go. There's a song called "The Monster Wins." Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna put this on the left knee.
It's a good look.
It was looking a bleak gray-green. Team Great versus the Fishhook Monitors, and they were good, but not enough! The fast-flying fists of the former were slowed from a slow venom employed early in the round. Not done. This is gonna be in the recording. It's gonna have this big gap, and you're gonna be like, "Oh, I should have known better." The fast-flying fists of the former were slowed by a slow venom employed early in the round by those technograph walkers. Those mean screams, screaming inside. Oh, come on, focus. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. Okay, triumph for the mutants. Because who played the long game? Best intentions aside, did it matter that those gold-clad, shoulder-clad glories wanted to unite with the sun? Never matter, did it? Welcome to Volcano Bay.
That's my favorite one.
I like that so much.
The lesson I've learned here tonight is to take myself less seriously and donate my
A long time ago.
organs to people when I die. Just kidding, I'm already an organ donor. Come on, what do you take me for? I think this is the end of my set because Ben Swisher is gonna play for us. Where is Ben? Oh, he's back there. He was sitting right there. I wasn't stupid. I was pointing the right place, but then he changed. Yeah. And then later on, Fernando Lopez is going to come. I know that's why you are all here, so it's kind of stupid for me to say it, but have you heard about Fernando Lopez? Breaking up. But they're really good, and they're going to play one last show for us. And this is my last song. Last. Okay. It's called Goodnight, Mr. Dragon. But I'm going to tune one last time, too, so it's not the last time. Okay. Sleepy time, Mr. Dragon, but you wanna stay awake. But tomorrow night, some knights are gonna come to plunder all your caves, but you'll save